Have you ever wondered how some programmers seem to effortlessly write clean and efficient code? Today we'll reveal all their secrets and show you how you can do just the same. Hello everyone, and welcome to this interesting video on how to master coding skills by Intellipaat. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this video will provide you with valuable insights on how to take your coding skills to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of where to begin and how to proceed that will help you write better code and tackle more challenging programming problems. We'll be sharing tips and tricks on everything from choosing the right programming language to building a killer portfolio that will have your potential employers knocking on your door. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates from us.
Before anything else, it is important to choose your own programming language. Choosing the right programming language is a crucial step in mastering coding skills. The programming language you choose will depend on your career goals, interests, and the job market. Here are some of the most popular programming languages and what they're used for. Starting with Python. Python is a high-level programming language that is versatile, easy to learn, and has a large community. It is used in various fields such as machine learning, data science, web development, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. Python has a simple syntax and is easy to read, making it a popular language for beginners. It has a vast number of libraries, frameworks, and tools that make it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. Moving on to the second one, Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language used to develop desktop, web, and mobile applications. It is a popular language used in the financial industry, large corporations, and government agencies. Java has a strong memory management system and is known for its scalability, reliability, and security. It is also used for developing Android applications. Moving on, C++. C++ is a fast and efficient programming language used to develop software systems, operating systems, and games. It is a low-level language that allows for direct access to computer memory, making it a powerful language for creating complex software. C++ is used in various fields including finance, gaming, and scientific research. Next is JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language used to develop interactive websites, web applications, and mobile applications. It is the language of the web and is widely used in front-end development. JavaScript has a simple syntax and is easy to learn. It is also used in back-end development with frameworks like Node.js. Next on the list is Swift. Swift is a programming language used to develop iOS and macOS applications. It is a powerful and intuitive language that is easy to learn. Swift is fast, secure, and has a modern syntax. It is also open source, which means it has a large community and plenty of resources available. Next on the list is Ruby. Ruby is a high-level programming language used in web development, mobile app development, and game development. It is known for its simplicity, productivity, and elegance. Ruby is used in the Ruby on Rails framework, which is popular for web development. Finally, PHP. PHP is a server-side programming language used for web development. It is used in various fields such as e-commerce, social media, and content management systems. PHP has a simple syntax and is easy to learn. It is used in popular content management systems like WordPress and Drupal. Next, learn the fundamentals. Learning the fundamentals of programming is essential to master coding skills. It involves understanding the basic concepts and principles of programming languages and how they work. Here are some key fundamentals that you should learn. Starting with data types and variables. Data types refer to the type of data that can be stored in a variable. Common data types include integers, strings, float, and booleans. Variables are used to store data that can be used later in the program. Next on the list is control structures. Control structures are used to control the flow of a program. Common control structures include loops, conditionals, and functions. Loops are used to repeat a piece of code, conditionals are used to make decisions, and functions are used to break down code into reusable blocks. Next on the list is syntax. Syntax refers to the rules that govern how code is written in a programming language. Learning the syntax of a programming language is essential for writing correct and readable code. Next, we have algorithms and data structures. Algorithms and data structures are essential concepts in programming. Algorithms are a set of steps used to solve a problem, while data structures refer to the way data is organized and stored in a program. Next, we have object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that is based on the concept of objects. Objects are used to represent real-world entities, and they have properties and methods that can be accessed and manipulated. Next, we have debugging. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in a program. Debugging is an essential skill for any programmer as it ensures that the code works correctly. Finally, we have version control. Version control is a system used to manage changes to code over time. It allows programmers to collaborate on code and keep track of changes. The next step is to practice coding. Practicing coding is a crucial step in mastering coding skills. Just like any other skill, the more you practice, the better you become. Here are some tips for practicing coding. Start small. When practicing coding, start with small and simple programs. This will help you build confidence and gradually work your way up to more complex programs. Second, set goals. Setting goals is an essential part of practicing coding. Goals can be as simple as completing a small program or as complex as building a full-scale application. Setting goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Third on the list, write code every day. Consistency is key when practicing coding. Writing code every day, even for a short period, can help you build a habit and make progress towards your goals. Next, we have practice in coding challenges. Participating in coding challenges is a great way to practice coding and improve your skills. There are various coding challenge platforms available. Next, collaborate with others. Collaborating with other programmers is an excellent way to learn new coding techniques and get feedback on your code. Joining coding communities, attending meetups, and participating in hackathons are a great way to collaborate with others. Next, learn from your mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. When practicing coding, you will make mistakes and that's okay. It's essential to learn from your mistakes and understand what went wrong so you can improve your skills. Finally, read other people's code. Reading other people's code is an excellent way to learn new coding techniques and improve your skills. You can find open source projects on platforms like GitHub and explore how other programmers approach problem solving. The next step is to join a community. Joining a community of programmers is a great way to enhance your coding skills. A programming community provides a space where programmers can share knowledge, ask questions, and collaborate with each other. Here are some benefits of joining a programming community. You'll get to learn from others. Joining a programming community allows you to learn from other programmers who have more experience than you. You can ask questions and get feedback on your code, learn new programming techniques, and get inspiration for new projects. Next is networking. Networking is an essential part of any career and programming is no exception. Joining a programming community allows you to connect with other programmers, potential employers, and mentors. Networking can lead to new job opportunities, collaborations, and personal growth. Next, we have collaboration. Collaboration is a vital aspect of programming. Joining a programming community allows you to collaborate with other programmers on projects, share ideas, and get feedback on your work. Collaboration can lead to more efficient and effective coding, as well as improved problem-solving skills. Staying up to date. Programming is a constantly evolving field, and it is essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Joining a programming community allows you to stay informed about new developments in the field, attend meetups, and participate in hackathons. Finally, building your portfolio. Joining a programming community allows you to showcase your work and build your portfolio. You can share your projects with other programmers and potential employers, get feedback on your work, and improve your coding skills. The next step you have to do is attend coding events. Attending coding events is a fantastic way to improve your coding skills and connect with other programmers. Coding events provide opportunities to learn from experts in the field, network with other programmers, and participate in coding challenges. Here are some benefits of attending coding events. 1. You'll get to learn from experts. Coding events often feature talks and workshops by industry experts, providing a unique opportunity to learn from the best. These events cover a wide range of topics from programming languages to specific tools and technologies. By attending coding events, you can gain insights into new techniques and best practices. Next, we have networking. Attending coding events provides a chance to meet other programmers and potential employers. Networking with other programmers can help you build professional relationships and find new job opportunities. It is essential to be respectful and engage in meaningful conversation with others. Next, we have participating in coding challenges. Coding events often include coding challenges that allow you to put your skills to test. Participating in these challenges can help you improve your problem-solving skills and gain experience working under pressure. Many coding events offer prizes and recognition for the top performers. Next on the list is staying up to date. The programming field is continuously evolving, and attending coding events allows you to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. You can learn about new programming languages, tools, and techniques that can help you improve your coding skills. Finally, gaining inspiration. Attending coding events can be a source of inspiration for new projects and ideas. You can see what other programmers are working on, learn about new tools and techniques, and gain insights into how to solve common programming challenges. The next step is to build a portfolio. Building a portfolio is an essential step in mastering coding skills. A portfolio is a collection of projects and code samples that showcase your coding abilities and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers or clients. Here are some benefits of building a portfolio. You get to demonstrate your skills. Building a portfolio allows you to demonstrate your coding skills and show potential employers or clients what you can do. A portfolio can include a range of projects from simple scripts to complex applications, demonstrating your versatility and expertise. Second is gaining experience. Building a portfolio provides an opportunity to gain real-world experience by working on projects that simulate real-world scenarios. This experience can help you develop your problem-solving skills and increase your confidence as a programmer. Third, improving your skills. Building a portfolio involves continuously learning and refining your skills. As you work on new projects and expand your knowledge, you can incorporate what you learn into your portfolio, showcasing your progress as a programmer. Standing out. Having a portfolio can help you stand out in a crowded job market. A portfolio that demonstrates your skills and experience can differentiate you from other candidates and increase your chances of landing a job or contract. Finally, providing a reference. A portfolio can serve as a reference for potential employers or clients. They can review your projects and code samples to get an idea of your coding abilities and determine if you're a good fit for their needs. The next step is to learn from others. Learning from others is an important part of mastering coding skills. There are many ways to learn from other programmers, including mentorship, online forums, code reviews, and pair programming. Here are some benefits of learning from others. First is you get to gain new perspectives. Learning from others can help you gain new perspectives and approaches to problem solving. By seeing how other programmers tackle coding challenges, you can learn new techniques and expand your knowledge. Second, improving your coding practices. Learning from others can help you improve your coding practices. By receiving feedback on your code, you can identify areas of improvement and learn best practices for coding. Third, learning new tools and technologies. Programming is a constantly evolving field, and learning from others can help you stay up to date with new tools and technologies. By following other programmers, participating in online forums, and attending coding events, you can learn about new programming languages, libraries, and frameworks. Fourth on the list is finding mentorship. Mentorship is an excellent way to learn from more experienced programmers. A mentor can provide guidance, advice, and feedback on your coding projects, helping you improve your skills and progress in your career. Next is building a community. Learning from others can help you build a community of programmers. By engaging with other programmers and participating in online forums, you can connect with like-minded individuals and expand your professional network. Next on the list is staying up to date with technologies. Staying up to date with new technologies is essential for mastering coding skills. The technology landscape is constantly evolving, and new tools and languages, frameworks, and libraries are being introduced regularly. Here are some tips on how to stay up to date with new technologies. Read industry blogs and newsletters. Following industry blogs and newsletters is an excellent way to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the technology landscape. You can subscribe to blogs and newsletters from technology companies, programming communities, and thought leaders in the industry. Second, attend conferences and events. Attending conferences and events is an excellent way to learn about new technologies, network with other professionals, and stay current with the industry trends. There are many technology conferences and events held globally, both online and in person, covering a wide range of topics and technologies. Third, participate in online forums and communities. Participating in online forums and communities is an excellent way to stay up to date with the latest technologies and share knowledge with other programmers. There are many online communities and forums including Stack Overflow, Reddit, and GitHub, where programmers can exchange ideas and share knowledge. Next, take online courses and tutorials. Online courses and tutorials are an excellent way to learn about new technologies and programming languages. There are many online platforms that cover a wide range of topics on technologies. Next, join technology user groups. Joining technology user groups is an excellent way to network with other professionals in your area and learn about new technologies. There are many technology user groups that meet regularly, covering a wide range of technologies and topics. Finally, experiment and build side projects. Experimenting and building side projects is an excellent way to learn about new technologies and programming languages. You can use side projects to explore with new technologies and experiment with new programming techniques. So, in conclusion, mastering coding skills is a continuous process that requires dedication, practice, and a willingness to learn. By following all steps discussed, you can become a coding pro and achieve your career goals in the tech industry. Remember that the key to success is to keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, stay curious, and never stop learning. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you on your coding journey. With that, we come to the end. Thank you for watching.
Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat provides full stack web development course in collaboration with ENICT IIT Guwahati. The course link of which is given in the description below.